next is the coffee scrub. So right here on the label, this says it is great for anti-cellulite, anti-wrinkle, anti-aging, stretch mark reducing, detox, and spider veins. Now, I'm not gonna be that person that says, I don't have cellulite, but I don't have, like, it's not a major problem. I mean, we all have a little cellulite. Even if you can't see it, you have it. I do have wrinkles. I'm gonna be turning 27 this year. I do have some wrinkles on my body. Don't really have stretch marks, but I would be interested to see how this would help someone who is pregnant or just had a baby. And then spider veins, I don't have a lot of. I do have a tiny one on my thigh. It's honestly so, I don't even know if it's a spider vein. So I kind of like kept an eye on that. But anyways, I've only been using this for a week, but not only does it help with all of the stuff I just listed, it helps with just smoothing out your skin, inflammation, getting rid of dead skin, promoting improved circulation. So I mentioned that I have dry skin on my face. Well, I have dry skin on my legs too, and I do not know why. If I don't put lotion on immediately after my shower, it is not pretty. I have dry legs. So my first impression on this was my legs were so smooth and shiny. I was like, oh my gosh, I don't even think I had to put lotion on. So that was my very first impression of this. Now I just use this in the shower. I took it in the shower with me. It says to let it sit on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes until dry. So I kind of just like got out of the water and let it sit for 5 minutes. And then I got back in the water and I turned the water down a little bit because you're supposed to rinse with lukewarm water. And then you can use this on your face as well. So if you didn't want to use this on your full body and just wanted to use it as a face mask, you can do that. But yeah, I mean, there wasn't anything bad I noticed about this. The scent smells nice. It smells like coffee. It's in really nice packaging. And like I said, I noticed instantly that my skin was definitely glowing, especially on my legs. They were super smooth. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to apply this. I'm just gonna show you like how to apply it on just like a little section of my arm, and kind of take you through my skincare routine. So anyways, I'm gonna give a discount code to you guys for both of these products. And yeah, I think you should try them out. I highly recommend. Okay, so I've had it on for about 5 minutes now, and I just wanted to say, I totally forgot to mention that this, when you have it on, it has like this really nice cooling effect. Like it's hard to describe. Like you could just tell it's like detoxing your skin, which I love. So now I'm just gonna rinse it off. And I'm just gonna do like lukewarm water like it recommends. I'm just doing this with a rag just because I'm obviously not doing it to my whole body right now. Just making sure I'm getting off all of the coffee grounds. But yeah, it feels so smooth, and like, I don't know if you can tell, I can definitely tell, but it kind of does like have that nice like glowy finish to it. So yeah, highly recommend this stuff. I mean, it feels amazing. My skin just feels like it went through like a detox. So nice.